Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today just to share really quickly. I am making, we are swapping with some crafty friends here in Arizona, gift tags. We needed to make 10 of them, and I am going to be starting a tag series. I'm just putting this here so you're not looking at just nothing. I'm gonna be starting a tag series, and I will be making 10 of them in the swap. So I'll show you the ones that I make on each day. And I've also just included some die cuts that I've made. And I was gifted these toppers last year from my Secret Santa. And so I took the opportunity to use them and to share them with my crafty friends for the swap that we have coming up. And so I just wanted to let you know about that tag series. If you're looking for inspiration for gift tags, then stay tuned. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!